Hi everyone, I thought I'd take you on a video tour of a pretty big project I recently worked on. I painted train-themed murals throughout an entire kids ministry area of a church. They wanted kids to have the feeling like they were going on a journey aboard the Grace Express, and this is what I came up with. You first come into the receiving area. This is where parents check in their kids on Sunday morning, and I just thought it lent itself perfectly to a train station. So we called it New Foundation Station, named after the church. And the Grace Express basically takes you on these destinations to the classrooms. Now I'm going to be doing individual blog entries showing you how all of this came together. I'll be showing you how to do a lot of this stuff, everything from how to paint brick, how to paint concrete floors, even how to make some of these props that we did, like this one that's made out of a tablecloth that I found at Goodwill. But for now, just follow the tracks, follow the signs, and enjoy the ride. When I first started painting, I thought I was going to give everything an urban vibe. I had planned on painting city skyline down the hallways. But it's funny, once I started painting, things kind of took on a different life of their own, and I actually like how this turned out more. I hope you come on board and start following me on my blog at Murals by Marcy on Facebook and muralsbymarcy.com. Thanks for watching.